Do you want to create AI talking avatar video but don't know how? Then first look at this AI avatar video.
Hello, friends. Have you ever imagined talking to a digital avatar that...
You also want to create similar AI talking avatar video for you? Then I have brought an best AI tool called VisionStory.AI. Let's see how it works. First, visit the tool's website. The link is provided in the description. Click on sign up on the right side and log in using your Google account. You will receive 20 free credits just by signing up. That is allowing you to create videos up to 30 seconds long for free. If you want longer videos, the paid plans are also available. You can check them out. Once log in, you will see the dashboard where you can find example AI avatar videos. To create your own, click on upload option and add your avatar image. You can also choose from pre-existing sample avatars provided by the tool. Next, enter the script in the text box. I have already prepared mine, so I will simply paste it here. You can also select emotions for your avatar. Additionally, if you want to add pauses between the text, you can also do it. You can import your own audio or record directly within the tool. After that, choose your voice from the available option. If you want to clone a voice, then feature is also available. You can preview your video before finalizing it. Once satisfied, select the quality, green screen option, and aspect ratio. Then click on generate talking video. Within few minutes, your AI avatar video will be ready. Here is the final result.
Hello, friends. Have you ever imagined talking to a digital avatar that can understand you and respond just like a real person?
Looks great, right? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and share it with your e-commerce friend. See you in the next one.